What's up, dudes? I'm Jordan Maynard from JJKG Production. This is going to be another little video. Hence the I've got the hood up because I've cut myself shaving. So yeah. But let's forget this. Today's going to be a video. I'm going to be making a cup of coffee because everybody likes a coffee. So I thought I'd just do one of these just because it's something different and yeah. Right. First step. You come into your kitchen. You're in your kitchen. You've got to find a cup. I don't know why it's such a step. It's not a step, is it? It's not, you know. Cup, bosh. Your coffee cup. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be this old. Next up, teaspoon. That crummy old thing there. And coffee itself. If you've got some, if not, then it's Nescafe or something like that. If it's Nescafe or if it's Yorkshire. Does Yorkshire do coffee? I presume so. Anywhere, really. If it's any coffee, fair enough. Lid off. This is in case you're an invalid. One other thing I've forgotten. Kettle on. I do 2 spoonfuls of coffee. Got something on the floor there. The next thing you need to do is make sure you've got clean water in the kettle, then boil the water. Like that. So you leave that to boil for about half a minute or so, until it tings. You're away. Now obviously depending on your sugar, if you have sugars in your tea, you do that, or milk. No. So whilst that's boiling, then you decide if you're going to have your sugar and your milk. Because some people have a milky coffee, like a latte, or is that a latte? Yeah, it is, I think. And then you've got 2 sugars. I have 2 sugars and some milk. I'm not going to lie, I don't actually drink coffee, but yeah, we'll just do it anyway. So, it actually takes longer than you thought. This boil. It's not even moving. It's not even bubbling up yet. Hand gestures. Yeah, Jordan likes his coffee. I think I like tea more than coffee, personally, but it depends really on it. I'm not really a hot drinker. I prefer Lucasade, Powerade, or orange juice. Yes, but I'm not really a hot drinker. But it's only because sometimes we do like gardening. And sometimes the day off, I just fix stuff it. Just a new customer, just have a cup of tea. I don't have coffee. I thought I'd make a coffee. It's slightly easier than tea, because tea's slightly harder to make. I can't make coffee tea very well. I make a appalling tea. I tell you, it's abysmal. Shit. It just tastes like watered down piss, really. When I make a tea, I actually make it myself, and I don't even drink it. The only good bit is because I don't stir it around enough. Just all at the end. Core. Here's the mug. Boing. There you go. Once you've done that, you pour it into your mug. Your cup. It depends how much you put it. I do it from about a couple of inches or milli whatever on top, because then I put the milk in. I put milk and 2 spoonfuls of sugar. 2 spoonfuls of sugar. So you've got sugar. Depends if you have brown sugar as well, which we don't have brown sugar. Not that high class. That's actually that's 1 full teaspoon. There you go. Splash it in there. That's just splashed all over this work surface. But there you go. Bob's your uncle. This is obviously it so far. You can't actually see it because I'll show you in a minute. But then you add a bit of milk. It depends how much milk. A little slurp or a slodge. Luckily enough, this milk goes off today. Nice. Pour it in. You stir it for about a minute. I think the perfect cup of coffee. Because if you don't stir it well enough, then what happens is basically you get like boiled like water. You take your teaspoon. Actually no, we do have longer teaspoons actually. Like this. This longer, you're more rich. So it's like us, wealthy. And there you go. George's going to try it now. Horrible. It tastes like stagnant water. Oh, it's rank. It's the reason why I don't drink coffee. If you enjoyed the video, well, thank you very much for watching. Awful. Don't know. I've learned something from this video. Never drinking coffee or tea. I'm just going to drink frog spawn. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Hope you're enjoying your day, whatever you're doing. Or if it's evening, if you've come back from work or school or whatever. Yeah.